I'm here today with Jeremiah Phillips. Jeremiah is a mortgage loan officer with Greentree Mortgage. And Jeremiah, how long have you been doing this?
This is my 19th year in the mortgage industry.
Well, I hear a lot of agents that talk about having a loan officer who is a mortgage broker versus a loan officer who is with a mortgage company, a mortgage banker. What is the difference between the two?
The difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker is the mortgage broker is going to be working with an underwriter who does not work for them per se. They work for a bank that they have to broker their loan to. So think about going to and sending your loan out to different companies that they're going to basically be able to broker it to, where a banker is going to keep it internal, where they're going to be able to go to their own underwriter. So it gives us an option to be able to work internally. So Greentree Mortgage is a banker where they work with the same underwriters on a regular occasion.
So those are people that if there was a complication, let's say a last-minute loan or a little glitch in the application process, you're able to walk into one of your employees and say, hey, you and I need to fix this.
Correct. And it also gives the opportunity up front before it ever becomes an issue, even on pre-approvals.
So if an agent just got their real estate license today and was doing an open house on Sunday and they met a prospect, do they have to wait till Monday morning to be able to call you?
Absolutely not. I'm 24/7 a mortgage loan officer, so that's the best part.
Now, it seems to me that even for an experienced agent, that mortgages is such a complicated business. You've got conventional loans and FHA loans and USDA loans and VA loans and first-time homebuyer loans. How in the world can you help a newly licensed agent to be able to keep this straight so that they're able to really make the best presentation to their buyer client?
So the best way I like to put it is, I'll keep the PhD in the mortgages. I like to give them an associate's. So I'll be able to start with them, and I'm going to make sure that they know the basics, ins and outs, and I'm going to be able to train them on those. But I'm going to keep the PhD, so that way when they have something really specific, I'm going to be able to help them. There's a lot of in and outs, and there's going to always be exceptions to every rule, which there is in a lot of different industries, but I'm going to make sure that they know which loans work for their customers, and when they're showing them houses, what they need to know about the loan they're pre-approved for when they're out looking at the houses.
Now, your office is in Cherry Hill. Is Cherry Hill the area that you make mortgages in, or do you go to a territory larger than Cherry Hill, New Jersey?
So the way that we work on it is we actually work by state. So I can do loans in all of New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Connecticut, and we go to help our people who will want to drive down and go to Florida, especially those ones who go down there for the winter.
Well, that seems like you have a really comprehensive service. So if a newly licensed agent has that client, or even if they themselves just need some information, some help to give them confidence in talking about mortgages to their client, how do they get in touch with you?
Best way to reach me is always by my cell phone. That's my direct dial, and it's there or on my website, which is www.teamphillipsmortgages, because it's always a team approach.
Great. And the cell phone is?
609-760-9234.
Jeremiah, thank you so much for helping our agents today.
Great, thank you.